Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to install Python on Windows 11 and run your first Python program step by step. So whether you are a beginner or just need a refresher, you will be up and running in just a few minutes. So without wasting a time, let's get started. First, open any browser on system. I am using Google Chrome and write here Python and press enter. You can see python.org. This is the official website of Python. Click on it. Now you can see downloads, and here you can see download for Windows Python 3.1 3.6. So click on it, save, and you can see file size is 27.5 MB. It will take few seconds on depending on your system. In my system it is downloaded. So right click and open, minimize. Before clicking install, make sure you check this box, add to Python to path. This makes it easier to run Python from the command line. And also check this use admin privilege when installing py.exe, and click on customize installation. Here you can see optional feature, keep it default, and click on next. Advanced option, check this box, install Python 3.13 for all users. Check this box, and here you can see current directory is C program files Python 313. So click on install, and there we go. You can see setup progress. Now installing is started. So let's wait. It will take few minutes. Now you can see setup was successful. Minimize this. To check if Python was successfully installed or not, open command prompt by searching for cmd, and write here Python hyphen version and enter. If you see a version number Python 3.1 3.6, that means Python is installed and ready to go. Minimize this. Now to run a sample program, click on start and search here Python. You can see ideally Python. Click on it. Now you can see ideally cell 3.1 3.6. Right here print hello world and enter. You can see hello world printed. So that's it. We have successfully installed Python on our Windows system and also run a simple program. Now to save this program, click on file, save as. I want to save it at desktop, so choose desktop and write here demo, and also it will save as type Python file, so keep it default and press on save. Minimize this. You can see demo file is created here. So that's it. We have successfully installed Python on Windows system. Thank you guys, keep learning. Also, if you feel this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.